What's up everybody, this is Maddie from Maddie's Review Channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing some kids rollerblades. Stay tuned. Into these skates by Hot Sports. So right here, these are good for aerobic exercise, fitness shape, expend calories, and for strong bones. So let's just go ahead and open up these boxes. Right here is the size medium, which is size 2 to 5 in little boy. Right here, when you open up the box, you'll see the inline skates. Very well packaged. And in the box, you will get your tool, which is to change the wheels on the bottom of these inline skates. Right here is the tool. You get 2 extra screws in here, and this is the owner's manual. Then you get 2 pairs of laces. And a closer look at these skates. As you can see here at the bottom, here's your wheels. There's your stopper. These screws right here are for to change them out. Here is the front. These don't have the laces installed. And here, there's these clasps to make them tightened. You just go ahead and clip this little buckle right here to loosen it up, or you flip this up and down to tighten them up. So if you want to loosen, you just lift up this one and then just pull it right here. And as you can see, it loosens it up, same as up here. Just go ahead and release the latch. This one right here, once you push the latch, you just go ahead and pull the top and it will release. And then you can just tighten them up by just pushing this to the side and then locking this right here. And here's a look from the other side. If you want to make it to go a little bit smaller or a little bit bigger, just push that release button. These screws down here is where you can fix the wheels. So if you're a little bit older, you can put the wheels in the middle to support your weight. And inside here, they're very snug, very good fitting. These ones do light up, so when you're skating, they do light up, especially at nighttime. Very good and sturdy. As you can see, the lights right here. Very all comfortable. And here's the pair. These are the blue and green color. Very good skates. If you're interested in more details upon these skates, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go ahead and hit that little notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. This has been the review of the inline kids rollerblades. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check me out at Maddie'sReviewChannel.com.